Aien, chatkimo, loja sobanit uari duis. Chajat kusov, ma loja nagiri, ili sawana wagri nagiri ma. It's good hudi smokehouse gezaka man ada sadar tejiro hijay demat. Wan imbu hinuat ajagi dos magata aji silay godo katsara ambung hawe gak magidemat. Wan next no gidi go edu madan man chachkit ma ibose I mean Chachki itskit mat chabosit uadis. Man next up on ui batos ma chocolak kupola di wagi badi duis ma chabosit darit. When man chachkit man ma itskit ui biga ma itskit chakai bat man because up kazoma was she follow church man chachkit ati bihadiga man ajak an manit tatuega basis manit takusaaduega ma hoktali jagari madat tungit fully bidejat fully bidumattues andet man tutsin puhuskiga puluputskusat man mikusap kazoman chatskin chakkabid uimat onwan chatkimo ayigo hagi badiduis wezen ma apology agi katutsina mahena bukirunga let's see south to the south of Upala west 3 miles to only apology legadi when man chatkit man ayibigo hagiga ma pidak sulgi hagibiga already wet to much magimats. Tades no jaska gifay uruzak hakaini zatsi hagen magimats. Owazen so siyugi kasigod owari dasen man nagde sohabita mas Saturday night ubanga uhos no wat man uhleg and man chatki daddy scroll do amadok mawalaje man ulin sayat kita alali jak nawat ma alagi dok si puhip pas ma hada walda bi badok manro bi badok magiri puji di masavatski uwasan nakstun aho hit hizagis ke dayan mokos chitski ma jakkai tun si sayat magimat ongaman sayat kita ma hongat chokolak kuat atida alakot ajajola dito oasen chatskit abatskit hi jari dui on naxton muid abatskit onduat anetia chamungurundu akun afet on alibiran chisma chokolak kuata chimay dui dok kirti chisaka hosin ma chokobel hajar alet on machunga hayuat hilten tungun Pokolan man kisat ada zulega ayawat stungun anhiltido os angabagi godos ma mego sap kadon ada sayat kirowat kabagi ma hogando bungu widoan ukuyat tes kuat sapegi hayat anhiltido mowen kada ada zulat mahakajuman nagadi chatkit mat Sri Lanka Indian School man Chachkit Shungitpin 1967 my Chachki Shungitpin Sri Lanka Indian School ma Chatki the ajola di duis manitri aladi ajola di duis on ma Chachki Shungitpin tunda gitli goratun on Sri Lanka man legedi di do makin man Sri Lanka Indian School man adot kira in hijagan BIA adot kira in hijagan man chakkabi mach chachuragi hokpulat chakkabi mach onwan mata abugi do man retire hagi bo man yipala bacha hada tishesti mach Ongen aien an det tjoga hitska lispoega man. Tes halva hitja siis satkidmat se puhik tjäsidonga. Essential aida man tjoga hitska lispoega ditu. Ongen tjoga hitska college ungat lispoeros kunga anjik sidadis kunga matsma nagidi wajina imbona kamban kisima heba urunga anjik sidumat. Ungaisen shataha hoktaliza hada lewala hojib kadu lewala wan hada shataha chanina kilatis chanina Davis madibagat hada hangit Patricia doimat tutsina mat abi biga machoka hitska chimo fundas project chagis only aka chimo this puira doctor sagasa hagin sajovik sagin man all that this pueri do Ada essential. When I adot ke hakki doon, pira ko kuno tayo. So lagi biro mas. Sibani hokti man o tayo. Oasin hada. Amor stagi hokkuno sino ayuat. Sakki beso ida do hokkuno sino. Ayuat. Hoktin mat hokkuno o sino man. Anjibanat pira kadiotiko. Nga nagi ira dana ambuhi beticia sakna ambuhi box.
COVID-19. What can you tell us about that? Like people you know, maybe passed away, cousins. Say something about COVID-19.
Ma inok kedayik sa ulidun unduang in hutkit. Mataresa atiskurai undon. Ungan sugi ma estimas kauga gipuna hoidi elat ma yamaki toang man inokoget tosat azulga samajula gira sungiga man nagiri yiksida inayik sige mahiga sungibiga Kada inokogit azukla de sotsagit umuiga man nagin kesa kinandua inat adibui bikurai ka sugi mai yamaki tuang manit tagi sabagin muis kan mo muagibet undon hadi alden hitches kuwayangat
About language.
Mvskoke
language, like trying to preserve it and things. Do you have any thoughts about how we can?
Ma umuna kaman bonsagi dos. Andat umuna ka ansagi do. Ajai it kuwait. Man naktes makak nuwat. Wajina inbona ka malaki ron. Bondat ubona hui binuat afats kita bagi do. Ungat nagi ungas hayewi. Jodes he zenot. Abilis ability yatsa. There's a certain way of our language. Just by looking at somebody or we connect. We connect. When mado. Ubona kay siron. Ansagi do. When man the mest unwes yades teru at kisit do es it's all funny do unwes man punaiga ani punaies chamanito man hijake do but unwes man puhuse godungo pondat upona hoi bi mungika puhuse god mati siat yiksit anet mo he say do what he doesn't omanetta of wasen puchela ki pati siat mo pona hoi biro aru timpna hoi unduis angka pona ka atai sit pona ho do adi kumakat Kuna hui kurando. Kilagi rados kumakan. Chajusit man. Kuna id umadad man. Kansas patsin man legit ajuli barido man. Ihit state kidu ibigaman tapirag mo man saskit yubala bat sa thajunit skipin man kabagan stiri already pit man let tu imadan. Mo kuna id imat. Wezen chahuze biran dos makn wezen hayuat yubala man halak tuang. Magitli biruado eu chihose gos gajan puna yas gajan puna irundo. Wezen mel mo puna yas gajan na mo puna irundos. Wezen nakston puna yatsigundua magaira buhidui puna yitsidadua nakston puna yitsigundua puna ko usas hansis muitsigundua ya este punados sigunhuigo magitli bigo puna isat mo puna ibigo man hayong irundos aneo ma anbirage ibusidadi mapira hokundo ka chibani sokti chabo ibusidadi simanole demat ma Johnson gajeji mat chahojif ka Johnson gajeji mat ilkiduwagi mat ohwan mat deed ke bona kitli gone mat wan este simanole madang ko si punaidon anio madang ko si simponaide mat Ongan man anbirage man dakkaget man adot ki bega man dakkaget nitto muga ma ibusidari mat impone simponayagi dimat kitlagi rondo wat naksto samponayati go geze ma anji banusar gibberish magamat gibberish ponano short ko sinda gibberish magi ha owa hanget nobody talks that way, daughter Margaret. How you want? Kisachis kazaman, Simbonator Gungagiron, Magagiro. Kisagiron doesan, Osetan man, Osetan Nagidi, Mogagundo. So Nagit man, see you gipka. What is your reason for not speaking the language? Why don't you spit it out? Or, why don't you let it out? Because if you don't, I will never be able to talk to you. I don't think you understand, so I'll have to talk English. So muy biga man punsongit aitos kumairo. Omaisen punsokki godes os kumair. Mokkodes os kumairo. Omaisen mikusap kazakung mau foliat. Yahegida yik chido mat mekos up kazova yahegida so moga yahegagit de kanida samis ode yahegak too much hayo mungu hagi biro funeral I am stand yahegikang okti hangs Yahegida kung ibiharo at man hunamot yahegda yikchidu ibika mat yahegida saleli sinuat mahuktid and yahegidu idasan huktid man uibika pumit man yahegda yikchidos was mikusapka bagi yahegida duis mumungin hijaya man Moste mitko si hagira itos kumairos miko sa kotro ya hegira unga pomino andu katak tos kumairos onaka usejet mangitlatsi toko mambuhit usula karirunga kitlatsis inga maktadi ikuses unga chahatsipka yados magit Ungai, yanadeidos magit. Magit pumpunat sinuat Muit makit man sin ponais. Muit imios tungorat. Tungorakit laidos. Chachkit makchinuat. Muchitski kit laidos. Manaki huchikri mari bagay si ponaka sai je girundo. Muasin man pona ibit sigo abaka adigat. Man simpona ipigo. Kos kitti pikuru azakka sigo muyaldis. Mamuit inhala di biga. Man samon pona hui bigo. Amosostage, chimosostage mo. Ai jaja mo kitta kipgo. Haget ai to. Ada amosostage madoko no ma nagri. Chataha imbiragi mo. Nahat kit uwagiga. Mo hobayin abogi bidok. Mo gitlagi siguro. Mabuhat kagi haget aibiga. Mo number 1 matihet kibonakan hai tuiga. Wasn't and it is too fast. Isti Mvskoke imbonakambat and had diskaros. Man makas.
One last question. If you could talk to the chief and them, the people that lead this nation, about language and the importance and things, what would you tell them?
Ya miko ojia tayuan. Ubonaka kitliros. Itskiron emestagi umuga kitlagiros. Emio onaid onwidados mahongido. Onka, but in haditiskama hayawat, mapunay mahat, ondos kuwaidos. Hupani onladi mata nagiriw ya in takla getsak ya federal government getsakat man mahakasako ahit suka kitlayet adot kita rugin into botet hayawat man make ko duwidados kuhwit man mo saktin mapon make ko haktuwa hayawat man emio punaka kitliros saik chejit mo uponayat kuwit punanuwat mapuhin punanuwat ungat ma adot kalgi mo fullat mo eden punahoyet his chase tungon afsama takhoyan esun maget ungat estilistija his chase tungon fullat skezuma maget mapunaka sussetat kinawat mamiko mo madar homatado matpunanuwat matpunanunga saik chej sohik chej unga umugat katma edalwa imadot kaduat sinuwat his che tungona sa magit ungat do those greetings every day when ada patsalega humtan ayes magit Hasegika one my talakatis des magit. Nagim magit skidayat man magit puna hoyaska puhak nawa isti tungong puna hoyit so sezagis kuwaidos. Hues mat homatado in homatido mas so hit chesit ungat nagin kesigindra nagin kesigindra ma memo des hayat do your greetings, do this or do that. Magit success no what, and omoga adut kalge. Moa not man. Isti omoga ya hadiki keduas magasi. They mo manages mathisia or not. His chay stungon atletska gets in a emio ehe magis. So munga see, it's like you're not making him talk, but it's like his respect is to answer you back in the language. See. But mungod lagi bisas no man ni ponakat usere ito kumoiros.
Is there anything you want to add to this? The final thought.
Ponakaman abo wasolugit man kita giran nos. Ungwasani ponakan man inhalada giran nos. Aniyo man mahakajoko aleli jaya. Amani to 6 years old. Tijari monakadang kusengkit sedon. Mahayat. You gotta talk English, Magan. You gotta talk English. Nagad English di guemet, you know. Whereas in man kitla handi dotsi my sisters man sulagiro kitla gibiro. You gotta talk English, man. Mungunat you'll get paddlings, Magan. So, Bubingalago they feared us, you know. They scared us. Whereas in Chathkitmat, he said, in my house, I rule this house, Margaret. Nobody's going to tell us to speak English in my house. So he ruled that we speak nothing but the language. You might be able to use it sometimes to help you in your job. Maho Gimaran. I've interpreted sometimes, you know, for courts. I don't even know, you know, the words or the Greek words for, you know, like legislation, those big. But I've been asked to interpret for elders in court. But you know, to me it was worthwhile. I enjoyed helping those elders, and they felt comfortable because they knew that I could understand English a little bit better than them. So I think, you know, the main thing is just to keep it, you know. Sometimes I wonder if will I be the last one that speaks the language in my generation, because I'm the generation now, the generation of seniors now. And see, we lost a lot of those others, those that were born, that were 80 years old. We lost Sam Proctor, you know, all them. And see, we missed that. You know, they spoke the truth kind of stuff, and mine is just mixed up kind of Greek. But I try to hold on to it, you know. But it's something to think on. If you can speak it, try the best you can. There's no shame in it. They tried to shame us back in the day, and it still makes me upset that not in my house, my dad said, you know, so that's how we learned it. So, Mvto, abuko ka?
No, Mvto.
Okay. Oh, yeah.